Welcome to the magnificent 5422 Ramblin' Road here in Pleasant Oaks in Greensboro. I'm Johnny Petrozelli with Oakleaf Properties. Let's go check it out.
Thanks for joining me on the tour today. This is going to be a walkthrough tour as if I was showing you the house as a buyer's agent. I love this house, the shady lot. This is going to be a shot of the front yard here. Landscaping, again, you're going to see it's partly sunny, partly shady on this beautiful summer day. Lots of privacy from the neighbors. I do have a Matterport tour on the website where you can walk in and independently go from room to room and look around on your own and have full control of the tour. I invite you to that. Here's a double door front door entry. Beautiful doors. We're going to open it up to the foyer. We've got the dining room on the left. I'm going to walk into the living room here. Look at all this natural light, guys. Stone fireplace, gas log set, exposed wood beams, vaulted ceiling. And look at this kitchen. Holy cow. Granite countertops, underlit cabinets, staircase going upstairs. That's a little breakfast eatery there in the corner. Look out the backyard. This kitchen is just absolutely stunning. Dishwasher, deep farm sink, wine cooler, hidden trash collector. You're going to notice there's reverse osmosis, cold and hot at the sink and in the fridge. The light fixtures, beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I love this kitchen in this house. This house has hidden features all over the place. There's hidden spice racks on either side of that gas cooktop, beautiful tile backsplash, dual arm pot filler, built-in oven and microwave. We're going to walk into the formal dining room here, wainscoting, chandelier light fixture. Again, this house just remains open to everything. Off the other side of the kitchen is this barn door, beautiful, walk in, no expense spared, pantry, built-in wood shelving, enough space there to have that freezer. That's the entry off the garage. Here's your mudroom drop zone, plenty of hooks for jackets, coats, shoes, foldable tabletop right there if needed. This is going to have a doorway to seclude the laundry room and all the noise associated with it. Another sink, racks, tabletop for folding, places to tuck the hampers. We're going to turn around and walk into the primary bedroom. Again, lots of natural lighting, mounted TV up on the wall. I'm going to walk in now to the closet and bathroom. Look at this walk-in closet. This thing is huge. Again, no expense spared. Real built-in wood shelves and pull-out drawers. Plenty of room to hang all of your stuff, and probably have to buy more to fill it up. We're going to walk out to the primary bathroom. Look at the soak tub. Oh, man. Private water closet there with pocket door. Absolutely perfect. I'm going to turn around and look at this double vanity and all the beautiful cabinetry that comes with it. Plenty of place to store all your gadgets, makeup, whatever, what have you. Double mirrors, and look at the shower. This is probably my favorite feature. This is a hard thing to find in this price point. Look at the shower. 3 faucets, the wand, the rain faucet, the side jets, little bench top there. Again, tall ceilings throughout the whole house, crown molding, natural light coming into the shower. Magnificent, absolutely beautiful. There's one other bedroom downstairs. That's the guest room. So there's 2 bedrooms downstairs. There's a guest room, and then there's this full bath across the hallway. Again, granite, tile, glass door, custom tile shower. This is for your guests. We're going to walk up the stairs here. You're going to notice a little accent lighting there on the steps, and then also the stairwell has its own light fixture. I'm going to turn around and I'm going to give you my favorite view of the house here. Look at this. Look, so you can see where the mudroom is. We're overlooking the kitchen, the large kitchen island. There's the exit to the porch, the rear porch. It's screened in. We're going to go upstairs. There's an office landing there, perfect for doing homework or office tasks. This house features a Jack and Jill setup for 2 of the 3 rooms upstairs. This is the first of the Jack and Jill rooms. There's a Murphy bed there folded up to the wall that will convey walk-in closet with shelves, barn door entry into this bathroom. Each bedroom has its private sink and storage. Then pocket door leads into the toilet and shower tub combo. This is going to be the sink for the other bedroom, and this is going to be the second bedroom with its own walk-in closet as well. Tall vaulted ceilings here. Another storage space. Absolutely beautiful. Barn door again. Cute light fixture on the entryway. Stunning. Absolutely beautiful. Now we're going to walk into an impressive bonus room next. Now, if you guys are into hosting or have a large family, games, this room had, look at that, the amount of outlets, double TV mounts, double ceiling fans. Look at all the natural light, lots of windows. Love the architecture of this house. This would be the hangout. I know my kids, this is where they would be all the time. There is this room over here, has solid surface floors. The previous owners were using it as an art room, but it could be another office, a small gym. This is the full bath off the bonus room out in the hallway. Again, granite, tub, shower combo. And then the third and final bedroom upstairs. So we have 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths upstairs, and then the primary and guest bedroom downstairs with 2 full baths downstairs as well. Every bathroom in the house is a full bath. I'm going to give you a highlight to these accent lights as you come up the stairs, all the features. Let's go outside. This is where I would be if we owned this house. I would be out here, this is screened in, top and bottom, tall ceilings, ceiling fan, lights, lit, electrical. There's all the windows that lead all the natural light into the living space. Check this out. That doorway right there walks down to a stamped concrete patio. This is a shot of the backyard. Again, just like the front, partially sunny, partially shady, perfectly balanced. Lots of privacy. Love the architecture of this house. Triple car garage, paved driveway, paved walkway all the way around. This is the aerial shot that shows just how large the yard is. Acre lot here, just under an acre. It shows just how big the backyard is, the front yard. I love this place. We have an open house this weekend. I invite you to it. We're going to have snacks, drinks, espresso. Check out the website. Come see me. And if it doesn't sell, we'll have more. See you soon.